Hello YouTube, St. Louis Sucks 9119. I'm not sure how good the camera's picking this up, but we are getting wind gusts in excess of 50 miles per hour. Oh gosh, this is really getting very intense. Blowing snow everywhere, not worth plowing your driveway. If you are watching this video and you are getting hit by the storm, especially in any conditions, anything near like what we are getting, please stay home. Do not go out in it. It doesn't matter if you have four-wheel drive. You're putting yourself in danger and many others. This is a very serious storm, and it should be considered just as serious as any very severe thunderstorm. This is not a little baby storm. We do have, here's a 1-foot drift that I'm just walking through now. We have drifts in excess of 2 feet as of now, and looks like my snow removal sign has snapped on one side. I'm gonna see if I can pull. No, my snow removal sign has snapped on one side though. Like I said, this is a very serious storm we are experiencing. I'm walking through a foot of snow right now, and I plowed this out earlier. So I'm gonna come down here to the street light and show you guys what we're going through. This is no little storm, may I tell you. Neighbors out, snow blowing. But as of here, of course, when I get to the light, the wind dies down. But it is definitely snowing out real hard. Oh, here comes the wind gust. And so, it is only about 7:15, 7 o'clock right now. I am about to go, oh, wind gust. I'm about to go, oh my! I'm going in, and I'm going to get some sleep. The wind's blowing too hard, it's not even worth doing the snow removal, so I'm going to go in and get this video up, and I'm going to get to sleep because I have a very early morning. Thanks for watching. This is St. Louis Sucks 9119. Snowfall totals right now. For example, where I'm standing, we got 8 inches there about, but we have drifts in excess of 2 feet. Like I said, we have lots of 1-foot snow drifts. We have snow everywhere, snowing at probably an inch an hour. Where I'm walking through about a foot and a half of snow drift right now. But thanks for watching. This has been a St. Louis Sucks 9119 production.